teams is tough, but Asana helps you handle it. Asana AI can spot roadblocks and assign work to keep everything on track. That's how work gets handled. Visit us at asana.com.
At Hill's Pet Nutrition, we know that pet parent guilt is real. That's why we make science-led nutrition to help you give more love than humanly possible. Because you're only human, there's Hill's. Find the right food at hillspet.com/science does more.
Last night I dug your picture out from our old dresser drawer. I set it on the table and I talked to it till 4. I read some more love letters right up till the break of dawn. Yeah, I've been sitting alone, digging up bones. Then I went through the jewelry and I found our wedding rings. I put mine on my finger and I gave yours a fling. Across this lonely bedroom of our recent broken home. Yeah, tonight I'm sitting alone, digging up bones. I'm digging up bones, I'm digging up bones. Exhuming things that's better left alone. But I'm resurrecting memories of love that's dead.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? If there's anything you want to look at, we can look at it. Right now the SPY switched to short watch, so I'm not in it. SPX still has. Can you hear me now? The long, so it's saying buy in these green boxes, but do we really trust it with the news out? If there's anything you want to look at, we can look at it. We got to give it a day or two to find its ground, find its footing. Watch, so I'm not in it. AMD got a short thing, and there was a red box here, but AMD took it out in the green boxes, but do we really I didn't take it, but I took this Microsoft. If there's anything you want to look at, we can look at it. It's doing well. We got to give it a day or two to find its ground, find its footing. Watch, so I'm not in it. AMD got a short. There's a little bit of a lag. Yeah, I gotta find a better microphone. I gotta put it like right in front of my face. This one doesn't do that. Yeah, put it down my shirt. Make it my. There we go. Now it's like right next to my mouth. Is that better? There's a little bit of a lag. Yeah, I gotta find a better microphone. I need to get one of them clip-on microphones that go on your shirt. So, or a better mic. This is like a $5 Amazon microphone. On my shirt. Make it my. There we go. Now it's like right next to my mouth. Is that better? There's a little bit of a lag. I got a double top on AMD and everything. I need to get one of them clip-on microphones. How does that let AMD slide? Oh, because it's $500 a like contract. That's on microphone. On my shirt. Make it my. There we go. Now it's like right next to my mouth. Is that better? There's a little bit of a lag. I got a double top on AMD and everything. Look at Oracle though. Oracle said it ain't playing that short game. Oh, because it's $500. Got two green boxes. Starting to break the 21. I think it doesn't have the footing it needs yet. It's probably going to pull back down to do a little W, but it might get a good call though. Oracle said it's got to get all the way back up to 186.57 or run out of active bars to break the 21. Flip from long hunt. I think it doesn't have the footing it needs yet. It's probably going to pull back down to do a little W. Palantir's doing pretty good. Got a double top coming up. It's got to get all the way back up to 186.57 or run out of active bars to flip from long hunt. Is it going to break the double top? Buyers will step in there, but they don't see the red hunt on. Palantir's doing pretty good. Look at that. Got some momentum coming up. It's got to get all the way back. Is this going to be a short to pop type of day? What is Apple doing? Yeah, Apple's not doing so well. Flip from long hunt. Is it going to break the double top? Buyers will this is going to try to be a bottom. Got a widening pattern. Look at that. Got some momentum. It's got to get all the way back. Is this going to be a short to pop type of day? What is Apple doing? Yeah, Apple's not doing so well. Flip from long hunt. Is it going to break the double top? Buyers will this is going to try to be a bottom. Got a widening pattern. Look at that. Got some momentum. Is this going to be a short to pop type of day? What is Apple doing? Yeah, Apple's not doing so well. Oh yeah, big green candle on SPX. SPY, I'm sorry. SPY. That was some buying came in there. But now we're back to the short hunt, but it's got one bar. No, you got 20 active, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, big green candle. I don't know if you want to short into that momentum. SPY, I'm sorry. Come up to a double top here. That was some Is it going to fill this gap? That would be a now we're back to the short hunt, but it's got one bar. No, you got 20 active, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, big green
I don't know
candle
if you
on
want to
SPX.
short into that momentum.
ISPY, I'm sorry.
Come up to a
Going
double
SPY.
top here.
So there's that. We had the long hunt on SPX.
Yeah,
We should have listened to it, but
It's got one bar.
I wasn't sure how far this
Oh,
was,
yeah,
how many
20
green
X,
boxes it was going to break to do what it's doing.
Oh yeah, big green
I don't know
candle
if you
on
want to
SPX.
short into that momentum.
Microsoft's coming back up.
ISPY, I'm sorry.
Come up to
I'm
a
out of
double
this
top
trade,
here.
by the way. Damn,
So
bulls
there's that.
even lower. We had the
My
long hunt on
goodness.
SPX.
Yeah,
We should have listened to it, but
It's got one bar.
I wasn't sure how far this
Oh,
was,
yeah,
how many
20 green
punished
boxes
those
it was gonna break
China
to
stocks do what it's doing. This was Broadcom. Microsoft's coming back up.
ISPY, I'm sorry.
I'm out of this trade, by the way. I'm kind of letting the
bulls even lower.
We had the long hunt stocks kind of pick a direction because they don't seem like they just seem like they're chopping right now to me. They're not really doing the China stocks. Nvidia had a double bottom. I didn't catch that one either. Broadcom. Microsoft's coming. Nvidia might run all the way back up to this box here. That's another. I'm kind of letting. That's only $1 away. Don't know if I would try that one on kind of pick a direction because they don't seem like they just seem like they're chopping right now to me. They're not really doing the China stocks. Nvidia had a double bottom. I didn't catch that one either. Broadcom. Microsoft's coming. Nvidia might run all the way back up to this box here. That's another. I'm kind of letting. That's only $1 away. Don't know if I would try that one. Kind of pick a direction because they don't seem like they just seem like. And OKO is back to $91 from 70 something the other day. Nvidia had a double bottom. I didn't catch that one either. Broadcom. Microsoft. BST hit a 200. Coming back down. A little late to that game. And OKO is back to $91 from 70 something the other day. Yeah, Microsoft is going to chop around. People think they want it, but if you notice here, I don't know if trading's watching it, but coming back down, watching us. But you know, you got control candle bar top here. Right at the top of the control candle, you go into the red box. Yeah, Microsoft actually chop around. That people think they want it, but if you notice here, I don't know if trading. So you're already in the red box. Watching us. So then you have a double top control candle right here. Bar top here. Right at the top of the control. Yeah, I need a better microphone. I don't. Let me see if I can do the output on this. Yeah, make it any better. People think they want it, but if you notice here, I don't know if trading. So you're already in the red box. Watching us. So then you have a double top control candle right here. Bar top here. Right at the top of the control. Yeah, I need a better microphone. I don't. Let me see if I can do the output on this. Yeah, make it any better. People think they want it, but if you notice here, I don't know if trading. So you're already in the red box. Watching us. So then you have a double top control candle right here. Bar top here. Right at the top of the control. Yeah, I need a better microphone. I do need a better microphone. Let me see if I can do the output on this. Yeah, make it any better. You hear double talk? People think they want it, but if you notice here, I don't know if trading. So you're already in the red box. Shouldn't hear that. So then you have a double top control right here. Bar top here. Right at the top of the yeah, I need a better news in the background. Need a better microphone. Let me see if I can do the output. The TV's off. You hear double talk? I got a heater on. Let me turn the heater off, see if that helps. Shouldn't hear that. No, there's no. There's not even a TV on in the house. Dad's taking a nap in there in the other room. You hear double talk? I got a heater on. Let me turn the heater off. See YouTube playing maybe? No, I turned YouTube off. No, there's no. I closed every open browser. See if that helps. Taking a nap in there in the other room. You hear double talk? I got a heater on. Turn the heater off. See YouTube playing maybe? No, I turned YouTube off. No, there's no. I closed every open browser. See if that helps. See, spot here is looking awfully strong with this 9 bending up, so I just don't pay attention to shorting it until we get up to this next box. We'll look at there. We know that SPX loves to fill gaps. See, spot here is looking awfully strong with this 9 bending up, so I just don't pay attention to shorting it until we get up to this next box. We'll look at there. We know SPX loves to fill gaps. This spot here is looking awfully strong. I wish I could get that win rate to work, but it's rough. Be nice to see what it's talking. Oh damn, Amazon there. Shishi, what is that doing? Look at that. There must have been some news that came out that popped this stuff up. We know that SPX loves to fill gaps. This spot here is looking awfully strong. I wish I could get that win rate to work, but it's rough. Be nice to see what it's talking. Oh damn, Amazon there. Shishi, what is that doing? Look at that. There must have been some news that came out that popped this stuff up. Oh, it's going through Discord? Maybe I have to mute Discord. There, is that better through YouTube? I muted Discord. Let me know if you hear it. Oh, it's going through Discord? Maybe I have to mute Discord. There, is that better through YouTube? I muted Discord. Let me know if you hear it. Okay, so I had it running Discord too. Discord? Maybe I have to mute Discord. Okay, good. So I have to remember to. Is that better through YouTube? Mute Discord. See, I have a friend that wants to join us,
muted
but
Discord.
he's
Let me
scared.
know if you hear it.
And he sees my
so
videos. He's like, I
had
see
it
what you're
running
doing, but I don't know what's going on. So, okay, good. I said, well, let's try this live, and he is Mondays off of work. Discord. So Mondays he might join the YouTube, not this Discord, but he'll. I have a friend that wants to join us,
muted
but
Discord.
he's
Let me
scared.
know if you hear it.
And he sees my
so
videos. He
I
really
had
likes to
it
take
running
over conversations. What's going on? So, okay, good. I said, well, let's try this live, and he is Mondays off of work. Discord. So Mondays he might join the YouTube, not this Discord, but he'll. I have a friend that wants to join us,
muted
but
Discord.
he's
Let me
scared.
know if you hear it.
And he sees my
so
videos. He really likes to take over conversations. What's going on? So, okay, good. I said, well, let's try this live, and he is Mondays off of work. Discord. So Mondays he might join the YouTube, not this Discord, but he'll. I have a friend that wants to join us,
muted
but
Discord.
he's scared. Oh, look at this on the daily. We talked about the 55. Look at that trade. Jazz. You know the 55. The SPY loves it. We should have seen that one coming. This is why we gotta look at all time frame. Wow, missed that one. Oh, look at this on the daily. We talked about the 55. Look at that trade. I did. I muted Discord. Jazz. You know the 55. The SPY loves it. We should have seen that one coming. This is why we gotta look at all time frame. Let me see if I can do that. Let's see if there's a way to do that. Missed that one. Oh, look at this on the daily. We talked about. I have mute. Look at that. I did. I muted Discord. Let me know if this is better. I muted the desktop audio, and I'm just doing audio input. Okay, I'm trying different settings. I'm talking right now. Can you hear me? This should fix it. If you can hear me now. Or there's a lag from when I say something to you guys see everything. There's like a I don't know, it's like a 5 or 10 second lag. Every time I change charts, you don't get it for like 10 seconds. Thank you. But look at that bounce off the 55 that we should have nailed that one. Is there some news out that we haven't heard about yet? Making everything go up, or is this just dip buying? We have far gap from the 9. It probably retest the 9 again soon, but how high is it going to go before it retests that 9 again? For a scalp, but I'm not even going to try it. I think taking a short on SPY right now is risky, but the 30 minute is hitting the 21, so that's going to be your resistance. Is it going to sit here and do this to get that 9 to go up? Or is it going to break back down and hit this bottom of the box? I think we'll hit the bottom of this box or somewhere near this area here today. But we might go, we might go all the way up here and then have a fade off somewhere back around here. You got this line as your support right here. You want to watch this area. It does come back because this is the last candle before the takeoff was here, so this is where it's going to look to try to hold the top of this candle. Apple's giving up even more, but it should hit this box and bounce here. Coming down on the wedge we drew. It is holding the bottom of that candle pretty good. Let's see if this works better. I changed some of the buffering rate. I changed some of the settings to see if it gets better. Oh, AMD. Still got the short hunt on. Still hitting these red boxes. Still going up. Should have grabbed that short on AMD. Man, it's so expensive. SPX is still rolling the long hunt. Let's see what it does at this green box here. We're not getting a lot of movement today, that's for sure. Are they waiting for something? What's Microsoft still doing? Still sitting in that area. Tesla's not even moving much. Look at this flat line. I just don't talk very loud. I got my dad taking a nap in the other room. I can't yell into this microphone. Let me see if I can turn up the volume on the microphone. Display, mouse pointer, audio. Yeah, I'd hear myself talking in the background. It's low. Alright, I got it literally down my shirt because it's on a stick. And my shirt is holding it to my chest. And it's right below my mouth, so you should be able to hear this. I gotta make it my best friend here. Wow, that lag is forever. VGO Broadcom's coming down, back down to our bottom. It's just going to be a liquidity grab. See if Tesla wants to give it up here. Apple looks like it's turning back around to the upside. Nvidia is making a higher low. Tesla's thinking about giving it up. Should have been short at the 21, so this is way late. SPY is thinking about giving it back up below VWAP too. SPX is turning around. Definitely not seeing a direction on anything today. We have SPY VWAP at 682.66 on my end. And Apple decided to give it back up again. I want to think the SPY is going to go back up after that sell-off, though. I don't think we're going to go up that high. I think it'll come back down. I think it's just going to be a chop. People are scared. Obviously, there's no institutions in it because it would be flying if there is, or they're already in it higher, or they're waiting a day or two to calm down. Oh, there goes SPY a little bit. Right off the 9 and 21 like clockwork. But we still have the short hunt, so we're not supposed to be buying longs, but counteracts what SPX says. It says buy longs on SPX. PLTR is coming to a double top, triple top, whatever you want to call that there. That might fill that gap all the way back up to the top here. Gonna set an alarm for it. It's gonna get there before I get this alert set. Look at that. This thing with SPY is it's got to get all the way back above. Close here, dip back down, and then run up, and you'll get a long permission on it. Arm hit the red box. And look at that short on arm. So did AMD. So now you got your bull control here. That is a control candle there on AMD. look what SPY did. Turned our backs. It wants to give it up. But it's got the 9 crossing the 21 pretty good. SPY right back down to VWAP. That's a bad sign. It came back too fast. It might try to go up and make a top. But I think we're just going to get a chop the rest of the day. It says big red box on Oracle is a level 5 that we came out of this morning. So that was pretty heavy selling. These are all level 1s down here. We do have a little W on SPY happening here. But I don't think it's going to hold. I think it's going to eat these green boxes back up sometime today. Oh, the QQQs broke the double top. That should be resistance at 615.39. Our trend is still to the downside because it's such a big drop. We're just coming back up to retest and drop again. That's what I think we're going to do. It might not be as harsh of a drop, but I don't think it'll keep going up. QQQs are awfully stronger than the SPY today, which that's uncommon for what we usually see. SPX is at a triple top. It's in the gap now. It's trying to fill, but it's got a long way to go. Is that going to be it, or are we going to fall back down? We got a bull control, so we can use that as a reference of shorting. If it breaks, then you get out. The high of this candle is 684.56. Where do I get this? I'm one digit off. Oh, look at that, man. We missed that one too. I'm not going to chase that until it gets below the 21 again. Show us it wants to keep going. I think QQQs just did a liquidity grab and is back down to dropping again. Look at that short boy. Missed it. I'm missing everything today. AMD's got to wait, so we need this to break, hold above here, kick on the short permission, then it's going to kick some red boxes, and then we can start shorting a top on AMD. But right now we needed to get back up here, hold two candles, and then start looking for red boxes. Now my arm is in a short on the 15-minute. You're what time frame are you on? 2 minute? All right, you're in a short watch on a 2 minute. What time frame do you run, Jess? See how you run into a short watch. If you look here, 15 minute, okay, and 2 minute, okay. You see where it says short permission active 1? When that hits none, then it's gonna go to short watch or wait. Right now you have 1 bar to get to, you know, a short position up here in the red box. You like double top. And it's probably going to go to a wait or a short. It's probably going to go to short watch. And then what you'll have to do is going to come down here, and it's going to have to hold and look for the green boxes and go back up. But if it breaks down here, comes back up, holds, it's going to say look for red boxes to short, because the structure's broken enough to people are going to start selling. I know it does not make sense. It's backwards thinking is what we call it. Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, I see what happened. I am sorry. That's my bad. I was trying to give as much screen as I could. See this green box? And if you need me to edit it in any way, to make it easier for you, I'm just trying to make it as easy as possible. It says break below for long permission. So you want to get down here and hold for 2 closes on a 2-minute, and then this will change to, if it all lines up correctly, it'll change to long watch, and then you could buy it out of these green boxes to go back up. But if structure breaks bad enough to where you do this, then this is going to go back to short hunt when it comes back up here, and it's going to tell you start looking for these dips to crash back down, so you're going to be shorting the pops. It's totally confusing, I know. See, SPX is still kicking a long hunt here. You got 11 bars active. Is Oracle going to hold this as support? I mean, it's trying. You got the 50% mark of this box here. I just need it to start doing something different than what it's doing. See, Palantir is the same thing I told you about. It's still on the short hunt for 0 active bars. It should change any second now. QQQ. This is like a big bear flag. You hit the 50% of the, I don't know, since it's over this candle, if it gets over this candle, it might break the bear flag, but I don't know. I wouldn't trust it because, let's see here. See, it's already at 50% return from the high. So I think people are going to start selling it off here. Plus you're at the 55. You just have a lot of things against it. You know, I would use this as resistance. Top of this candle, it's 50% of the drop. And I would use this 55 as my short. I would short it. And if it broke above it, I would get out. But Right now you're making a couple bucks. It might keep dropping all day. SPX is about to break a support area, it looks like. IQs is dropping nicely. I never traded BAC. Damn, that Q's is dropping bad. Boy, I'd already be way up if I just joined in late. Oh yeah, SPX is gone. My friend owns like 600,000 shares of BAC that he gets a dividend. I'm sure it's a lot more now because he just lets the dividend build. And last I heard, back in like 2023, he had like 600,000 shares. He used to work for the banks. And they gave him shares as some kind of deal he had going on. He's a billionaire. And we have the SPY below VWAP, but it's in liquidity zone. See if it breaks a new low and wants to keep dropping, we can get in. If not, it's just picking up liquidity to go back up. And Oracle's giving it up. Did I give up the... No, I turned off my indicators, what I did. Must have ate the green box that was there earlier. I see a SPY just grabbed some liquidity. It's trying to go again. Doesn't look too good though. See, when they're right next to each other like this, I don't like it too much. It could go either way so quick. See, it says active on both. They're just right next to each other. was a nice liquidity grab. Or is it grabbing liquidity now? We don't know because it's right on VWAP. I'm going to grab a short on SPY here and see what it does for me. See if we can get back down below this, to the bottom of this red box. Oh, there we go. There's a nice little pocket change. I sold out on that dip right there. I got it back out. I wanted a little bit higher. Because I do not see a trend happening at all. You might have a little channel there working. Oh crap, look at that stupid me. Got a little channel we're working here on SPY. So we know we can break up, retest, go up, but it would probably retest and come back down. Or we can break and retest and go lower. Now it's a waiting game. .30-minute, you're right in between your 9 and your 21, so it's anybody's game there. You do have a nice little, is it going to keep following trend? is nothing but straight up. There's that 15-minute rule candle, 15-minute rule on those two candles there trading. Then you dipped back into the green box. We could have bought that up. We could have went the long side. That would have been a good trade. You actually had two set up. Yeah, one from pre-market here, dipping back by. Do we retest them though today, or do we keep going? Let me look at BAC, what it's doing. He's a friend I met through work at a job I used to do when I was in high school. So he's not like a friend I could call on the phone. But John calls him on the phone. Him and John became good friends. See, BAC I would do a shares because I don't think the contracts are going to be any good. The spreads are not wide, but there's a little bit of volume to it. You could probably trade it if you want to hold it. Yeah, straight up. AMD's a double top. Can it go higher? Everything is bullish on the SPY. Look at this. Look at how wide they are from each other. They're perfect order. You got the 9, the 21, the 55 spread out. You just need them buyers to push that up. But you are underneath the 200, so don't know if you'll get the buyers on that one. What is the daily at? Where's the 200? Oh, 200's way down here. You are below the 200 on the 1 hour though. On the 1 hour, you are hitting the 9 EMA, and everything's below each other, the 9, the 21. So I'm going to short at the 9 and sell the drops. Alright, so I'm going to start selling now at the drop. I'm going to sell half of my position. There we go. There's some lunch money. You can get that DoorDash today, Jazz. Look at that drop. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Almost like we know what we're doing. That is up $50 a contract on that little trade. added the SPY, but I can't type right now. I'm trying to take these alerts. Sorry about the alert noise. I'm back in the SPY right now for a nice little chunk of change. Let's see, we are up 50 bucks. This contract is already up 50 bucks. Was it? Let me see. Hold on. 684. Oh no, I'm sorry. It was up 20 bucks. I looked at the wrong thing. Let's see. Is it going to reject this? Since we rejected up here, are we going to break lower? Let's see. Only time will tell. I didn't miss that trade. You ready for coffee, Dad? I'm gonna go grab my dad coffee. I will be right back. Boy, look at SPY. My oh my. I hope you got into that one, Jazz. Well, you do live in Richmond, which is like the hood. Did you get into the SPY? Oh, AMD didn't do the double top, didn't break it. But a yellow Palantir. That was that alarm. Let's look at Palantir. Yep, there it goes. Look at that. I put my alert up here to alarm me. It hit the red box. And we dropped. I should be talking. I see the little mixer moving. Boy, SPY came all the way back. That might be institutional buying. Be careful. It needs to rip. If it is, it'll rip higher. But if it don't, then it's just dip buyers. Oh, I got a warning. Something. The stream current bit rate is lower than the recommended bit rate. We recommend that you use stream bit rate of 2500 kbps. Okay. Man, we got a whopping 2 viewers, man. We're doing good. Can you not hear me talk anymore? Did I mess something up? Uh-oh. Hello, hello, hello. I guess mute anymore. I muted it. I guess I shouldn't do that anymore. T-SPY now is in a long hunt on the 1 hour, but let's see the 2 minute. No, it's still a short hunt. Look, SPY's just walking it down. We had the high, lower high, lower high, lower high, but we have higher lows. No, we don't have higher lows. There's higher lows. This is a downtrend. This is a downtrend till we can start getting above, back above, showing us that we want an uptrend. But I think it's gonna be a downtrend till we get it. We got a long way to go. I don't know where we would say this is no longer a downtrend, because I would say it's up here. I would say we have to get above this stuff here to be back in an uptrend. So I don't like going on the long side today, but it seems somebody does, because it's jumping up there. Is it just people selling off and the selling pressure is knocking it down? Oh, I had to reload the screen there. Okay, I thought it was frozen. Now I can hear myself. Now you love that downtrend. Sorry about that. I should mute myself. Can't mute myself because my mute button's down my shirt. Now the way it's acting, it acts like it's gonna punch higher. This is just down here and buyer step it up. It's trying to, but I think what it's gonna do is it's gonna pull the 9 up to get fake all those people in, and then the 9's gonna give up. I think that's what's gonna happen. Well, it's already starting to give up that quick. We just have to get high enough to get everybody that's in here to get out. You know, they go, okay, I got to get out here, because we are still making new lows and new highs, but we haven't made a new low from this. So technically we are higher low from this wannabe double bottom here. So I guess technically we are on a higher low. What is this happening here? Right now we're just going to ride this little channel here. SPY gonna come and retest these green boxes? Maybe. The ones that I drew, not the one the indicator drew. AMD is on a free fall from that double top. We should have got in that one for sure. So what I don't like is, see, we got the long hunt on SPX. So it's going to start looking, it's going to tell you to start looking for these green boxes to buy. And SPY is going to tell you to start, to keep shorting. So what I don't like about it. But I have made more money with the indicator than just by myself. So I got to say it works. Oh, AMD, man, that just tickles me. Look at AMD. Broke the green box, the 55. Come on. Gotta do better. AMD's falling off a cliff. That double top, man. Why do we stop looking at AMD again? Look at, it's still saying long hunt though. Come on, give it up. Those red bars you be saying short hunt. I guess it's still within this structure. So it's looking for AMD to do this, then find a red box, then tell us to short it. What did Microsoft end up doing? Oh, that was a beautiful short from this morning. Look at that, stair stepping down. Got a double bottom on the 200. goes some selling. Right down to the 200 on the SPY. just keeps making them lower lows, but still not broke this lower low of the day. Oh, SPY is starting to creep down. just do that for? Oh, messed up the whole screen, didn't I?